Alright, this video is how to install a time cert. Here I have a time cert kit. It contains a drill, a countersink tool, tap, and an inserter tool. I recommend a time cert versus the helicoil because they replace the entire thread a lot stronger. So we'll be doing a time cert installation on this hole right here. The first step would be to drill the hole out. Next step would be to countersink the hole. The reason why we do that is to accommodate for the shoulder on the time cert. So that sits into that countersink, and when it's installed it's nice and flush. Next step would be to tap the hole. So I use some tapping fluid or light oil to lubricate the cutting threads. We try to start it nice and gently, slow. Try to be as square as you can, nice and gently. Let those cutting teeth just bite and drive the tap in. Turn it nice and easy. When you feel it load up, get harder to turn. Back it out a couple turns, break loose those chips, and then proceed. So I usually have to do a turn or two, and it loads up, back it out, couple turns, back it out. Sometimes I'll take it out, clean it out, compress there, re-lube it, start over. You want to make sure you go deep enough where you can fit the entire length of the time cert. On this hole, I'll probably just go all the way through. Well, there we go. Clean the threads with a little bit of brake clean. Get that oil out of there. Blow it out. Lubricate the installation tool. Screw on the time cert. Add red Loctite. Now we screw it in the hole. Screw in the tool all the way, and it'll actually spread the threads out on the far end and lock it into position. So this might give you a little resistance, but just keep driving all the way in there. Once it goes past the end of the time cert, give it a couple turns, back it all the way out. You're all set.